This video from Shop Stuff, we're taking a quick look at what you get included with your Tellermate T-iX 2000 money counter, and we'll also quickly demonstrate how to set the unit up for first use. So let's get underway. So the top portion of the packaging has the money scale in, so just take care when you're removing that. And then inside the box you've got the rest of the sundries, so the coin tray, money platform, 2-part power supply, and then there's some literature from Tellermate about the use of the machine. So I'll deal with the battery first of all. There's two versions of the TiX 2000. There's a portable and a mains only version. If you've ordered the portable version, all it means is you get this battery, rechargeable battery included, which you can fit to the machine. It's recommended if you've got the battery, charge it up for 3 hours before first use to ensure best battery life. Okay, so the actual unit, we'll take that out now. Obviously, the Tellermate money counters, they're pretty advanced, sensitive equipment, so goes without saying, don't drop it or don't drop anything on it, because you're expecting it to count things as fine as £20 and £10 notes. So the equipment is quite sensitive, so it needs looking after. So let's connect it to the power. So we've got the 2-part power supply, fairly standard. Figure of 8 from the mains cable goes into the PSU, and then on the back of the unit there's 3 ports, one for power, a serial one for connecting to a Tellermate printer, and then a USB one for currency updates. These units are all updated for the King Charles III polymer notes, so hopefully there won't be any more need for any currency updates for a while. The money platform is magnetic, so you're basically fitting it into here and you just drop it into place. There's no need to try and push it in or fit it, and that's obviously the reason why they've got it like that is obviously to help protect the load cell inside the machine. When you've connected to the power, you'll notice green light appear here, and then the on button is this one. Comes up with the Tellermate blurb, the software version, the logo, and then the main screen, the home screen. So we're going to go, all these units, when you order them from shopstuff.co.uk, are set up to count a standard Bank of England UK coin tray. So they're set up for as if you're counting 1p's, 2p's, 5p's and so on. So you go into the caching up, which is the default option, by pressing OK. And then it defaults straight away to 1p. So if I grab some out, I won't do a full count, but just to show you that it works straight out of the box. The way the unit works is you put the coins, starting with the pennies, into the Tellermate coin tray, and then crucially, if you're counting, you pop this down. Should have done that before I went into the count mode, but there we go. So it comes up and says 24 coins, total value, and then it jumps onto the 2p's. Again, when you're on 2p setting, pop your 2p's in the coin tray, drop it on the top. It comes up with the quantity, so we've got 10 of those, 20p. So it's crucial when you're using these for the first time to do it. It sounds silly, but obviously the machine, the Tellermate, doesn't know what you're doing. It's acting in the most logical way, so it's jumping straight to the 5p's. So it's up to you to double check that you are counting 5p's. Sounds daft, but I'd say probably 99.9 or 100% of the problems you ever get is because the machine's jumped on and you've realised you've actually got some more 2p's to count. So there we go, 15 5p's, 75p. It's jumped onto 10p's. 6 of those. £20s. £50s. Pounds. And then £2. Okay. Then jumps on to bagged coin. I don't have any bagged coin to count, so you could scroll through to loose £5. I won't go through a whole count. I'll have another video showing you how to do a full till draw count. But that's basically what you get with your Tellermate included in the box, how to set it up for first use and actually how to use it. So this video will be part of a playlist I'll put up for getting the best out of your Tellermate unit. That playlist is probably appearing on screen now, so feel free to check that out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit shopstuff.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.